right, what are we doing here today, Leo? Where are we going?
We're going to see the owls and see if they're still there, because what if they're not? That would be bad, because we want to see them.
That's right, we're going to check out these owls. We've been staking them out for about 2 weeks now. They're a family of barn owls not too far from our house. So we're going to go over, make sure they're there, and then we're going to take you on our adventure to capture the perfect photo, right, of an owl at night. And we've learned a lot. We've messed up a handful of times, and we hope tonight that it'll work out.
We still keep trying and we still keep going.
That's right, dude. We still keep trying, we still keep going. You heard it here first. See this? So we are at the bridge where the owls live. It's a secret location, right? We don't want everyone to know where they are. We're just gonna what?
We're just gonna post it to some of the people.
Yeah. So we're gonna come back here around dusk, between 8:15 and 8:45 tonight, because that's when that's when the mama leaves about 5 or 6 times to go catch a rodent and brings it back. All right, this next bit is a little gross, but it's pretty interesting that I had no idea about owls. Maybe you guys already knew that, but their poops are quite interesting. They're called pellets, and they're not able to fully digest the mouse's bones and whatnot. So what happens is, see that right there is like an entire mouse. But what the owl's stomach does is it compresses it super tight so that all the innards are absorbed into the owl, and then they just poop out the entire carcass, bones, and everything else. And that's what all that is. What, dude? Where are we?
I'm at Great Salt Lake, and we're about to get on Buffalo Island.
We're about to get on Antelope Island.
I meant
And we might see some buffalo. That's why you're confused. Right? That's what you meant, huh?
yeah,
Buffalo or bison.
Because I was just confused. I couldn't tell.
Yeah.
I did.
So let's say it one more time, what we're doing and where we're at.
We're in the Great Salt Lake, and we're about to get on Antelope Island.
Antelope Island, that's gonna be so cool.
It stinks out there.
I know, why? Alright, dude, what did we just find?
Buffalo. This is my first buffalo. I haven't seen buffalo ever.
What is it? Dude, can you believe it? You said it's your first buffalo?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know that? You've never seen one? What about at Yellowstone? Did you see any? You don't remember. Oh. Let's get a little closer. What do you think? Need a push?
Nope.
Too bad you couldn't get your bike down here. What's up?
My shoes tied too tight.
Yeah, you had them. You do them up real good, huh?
Yeah. Why?
Because we're going to be getting close here soon.
There's a buffalo on the salt flats. Well, not exactly on the salt flats, or that what we were talking about, but yeah, buffalo on the salt flat thing we're about to cover. Cantaloupe Point.
No, antelope, not cantaloupe.
I meant Antelope Point, not cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is a fruit. Look there.
Wait, what is it? You think that's the buffalo's trail?
Yeah. They have like big feet like buffalo.
Wine's all about. Look how deep those prints are. Yeah. Hope he's not stuck out there. On another note, I think we have an inebriated bison. Check out this path. What? Leonard is staying back a little bit. I'm going to walk around it because I'd like to get a shot straight on. And he doesn't seem to mind so far that I'm over here. I'm about 100 yards away. I think it's pooping.
Oh, it's pooping on humans, too.
It's a lot longer than it looks when it's just white and flat. Turn on cricket. A what? A salt rock. All right, it is time. It is 8:07, which is a few minutes before the owl has been leaving. So we're gonna go drive over to our spot. Leo and Ash are actually scootering over. They're gonna meet us. So I'm gonna go get set up, get my speed light in the spot that I wanted, and my tripod. We're gonna just go from there. Okay, we're gonna catch an owl. Huh?
Yeah.
Right.
We're catching barn owl.
Barn owl.
Any updates from you?
Nope.
Do you think we're gonna get a picture? You don't?
Yeah, we are, dude. Of course we are. We're prepared. We've got the right gear. We know the habits of the owls, and we're gonna be ready. We're not going to touch the roost. We're just going to get a photo of the mother as she's bringing her meal back. So what I got here is a rapid box. It's very important if you want a crystal clear photo at night that you need some sort of speed light. Then down here we got these 600EX speed lights from Canon. And I've also got the exact same one here fixed to my camera. And notice I got this extra contraption here on top, and what it does is it helps throw my flash further and more directed, so not so spread out, but it directs it further so I can capture the birds. And down here I just set my aperture light panel on the ground facing up. The reason I did that is because it's super hard to see the bird as it's coming into land, and so I'm just gonna have a small, like, constant light, just enough to where I can see the bird coming into the bridge. We've got our speed light set up under the bridge, and it's pointing out to where the mama owl flies in. And so the idea is that we'll wait right now until mama owl leaves to go find her first rodent, and when she does, I will sneak over and just try to be as still as possible, so when she comes back, then I can snap a photo of her. How's that sound?
Great.
Okay.
I mean,
So at this point, we're just waiting, and we're trying to keep a close eye on the bridge over there. And we're gonna wait for Mama Owl to leave so I can go get into position.
I think if you just tap.
I already know.
They have razor sharp eyesight.